Hello everyone, today we going to cooking a fast and gourmet food. Come on, hurry up to the kitchen. Take an onion and cut it into small pieces. Take green pepper, and do the same process. Same works for these 2 tomatoes. Oops, I forgot to turn on the light, but it's okay, I'm gonna fix it now. Here we are. Also, for 2 pieces of garlic. And finally, some pieces of turkey, or of chicken. Take a pan, and put a little olive oil in it. First, we put onions in the pan. Add the green pepper. And mixed all well. Pour a little water, so that the onions do not burn. And the latter can be replaced with olive oil. We add tomatoes. Two cloves of chopped garlic. We put the turkey meat. Now let's add some spices. Salt to taste. A little of paprika. And a little of black pepper. Mixed all. I guess I picked the wrong pan, let's change it. Well, I guess this pan will do the trick. Cover it to cook well. Don't forget to stir from time to time. Finally, we put the food on a plate to serve. And now, we taste our delicious food, with wheat bread. Easy, fast and tasty, we wish you good appetite.